going on, everyone? Today I'm going to do a run through of where I'm at for my 2019 season. This is going to be something I'm going to start doing bi-weekly. Every other Thursday or Friday is when I'll be sending these out. I'll go through, show you guys the different projects I'm working on, where my peppers are at, what I'm growing, stuff like that. In the meantime, as of the time I'm making this video, I'm at 81 subscribers. So as soon as I hit 100, I'm going to be doing a giveaway video. And I've got a whole bunch of seeds left over from this season. I'm going to be giving 3 or 4 packs away. Keep an eye out for that video, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff so that way you can see when that gets released. Now let's go see what I'm working on. I've done a couple different things since the last time I did an update, and I put a fluorescent light up there, not for growing or anything, just so that way I can see everything without the pink and purple tinge to it. I also threw a fan in here today, actually, just to get some better airflow, and it seems to be working pretty good. I'm liking it. So, on to the peppers. I'm going to show you guys something I'm extremely excited about. So this pepper here has had pods on it for, I would say, a month or two now. It's been a long time. And so the other day I emptied out all the nutrients, cleaned out the bucket real good, and then I put in a mixture that is more for ripening peppers. And by morning time, I had this guy right here. So this is an ahi lemon drop, and this is probably going to be my first pod test of the year. I'll probably do a taste test on this in the next week, something like that. But so far, that's the only one that is ripening up. So hopefully we can get some more coming off here pretty soon. I took 7-pot Primo, took it out of the little cup it was in and put it in one of my son's little sand buckets. Got Scotch bonnets, Umarock red. There's a peach fantasy. It's looking okay. It's just a little light colored. Let's see. Here is a Bleeding Borg 9. So this one, I didn't even realize it, but it had started to flower. And under here, I'm getting some pods coming off. So when this plant originally was going to go outside, but I think I'm just going to keep it really small, keep it in this, get a couple pods off of it, and plant another one to take outside. I'll keep this one in there. Got Black Panther back here. What's this one? Purple Ghost Scorpion. That's what's right here. Here is my Caribbean Red Habanero, and it's just got pods all over the place. Anywhere you look in here. They're kind of hard to see, but because it's such a thick plant. But I got pods all over the place, and I think what my plan with this one is going to be is as soon as I get some ripe pods from it, I'm going to turn this into a bonsai. So I'll trim it all back, put it in some soil, and I think that's what my plan for that one's going to be. I don't want to take it outside because it's such a short and compact plant. I don't want to deal with it outside. Over here, BOC Reaper. So the couple of plants that I was going to do crosses with, they ended up just shooting straight up, and I didn't really care for them, so I cut both of those in half. We'll see what happens there. Here is my Death Spiral. I'm not totally happy with it right now. It's not looking too good, so I'll be working on that one. Hopefully by the next time I update, that'll be looking a little bit better. Got a Mammoth Jalapeno back there. Chocolate Bubblegum 7. So these 4 plants right here, I am doing a soil versus hydro test. So I've got 2 of them in soil, 2 of them in hydro. They were planted on the exact same day. All 4 of them sprouted the same day. We're gonna see which one does better. So just the other day I took these 6 plants out of their double cups and put them into these. So I'm not somebody that's going to go out and spend a ton of money on pots and stuff like that. So I went to Walmart, tried to find something there that was cheap. I went to Lowe's and I wasn't really finding much. And my wife told me to go check at the dollar store. And sure enough, that's what I found at the dollar store. I figured I wasn't going to spend a bunch of money on it if it's only going to be in it for a month or two. As soon as it's a little bit warmer outside, they'll be going on the ground or going in 5-gallon buckets outside. This is a Bonda Mahala, and I got that from a friend of mine named Landon. He sent them to me at the beginning of the season, and I'm super stoked to see what that comes out like. Carolina Reaper. This one is a CPR. What's this one here? Oh, here's another Black Panther. Black Panther. What do we got over here? Oh, this one's a Boot Jalokia. Hopefully that one gets a little bit taller. Chocolate Moruga Brain. That one I'm really excited about as well. Alright, and let's come over here. Alright, these 3 plants here, I have them sprouting right now. I've got, you can see right there, there. This one's got 3 sprouts coming in right now. So this one is a Bleeding Borg 9. Here is Death Spiral and Boot Jalokia. These 2 haven't sprouted yet, but what I'm doing is I kind of quit with my other crossing project, and I'm going to do a kind of a mini hydroponic crossing project. I'm going to try crossing all 3 of these one by one. I'm going to cross that one with a mammoth jalapeno, that one with a mammoth jalapeno, and that one with a mammoth jalapeno. And my hope is that I get something the same shape as a mammoth jalapeno with a little bit more heat, so in the summer I can do some smoked jalapeno poppers that have a little bit more heat to them. I just jumped in on a pepper in a can challenge. So I've got an ornamental tie here that I grew out last year, and it just put off an insane, like hundreds of pods per plant at a time every harvest. I mean, they're only tiny little peppers, but they're bright red, and it's a beautiful plant. So I'm doing a ornamental tie in here, red habanero in here, 7-pot brain strain, orange scotch bonnet, and a chocolate habanero. So I can only use one by the end of the competition, but I'm going to grow all 5 of these out, see which one looks the best. And whatever one's looking the best is the one I'm going to enter into the competition. I've got just a few more seeds that I'm starting this year. I really like the looks of this 7-pot Slimer, so I went and ordered one of those. Jimmy Pickles, he's an awesome guy. He sent me a free pack of ghostly jalapenos. I ordered some chocolate Umarok. He sent me a free skunk chocolate, which is one that I was actually kind of looking for. I didn't see it on the website, so I'm really happy about that one. And in a apocalypse scorpion. So those are 5 more that I'm growing this year, and then I actually have one more package on the way from a guy that's sending me some seeds that I was really looking for. I'll show you guys those ones next time. They should be here in the next day or 2. By the time I do another video, all of these will be planted, plus all the ones that are on their way. Remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so you can stay up to date on all the new content, and be ready for bi-weekly videos on what all these guys are doing here.